My name is Sy'n and I'm the Chief Executive Officer for Too Good to Waste. Too Good to Waste is the leading reuse organisation based in Rhondda and Taff. We take items of furniture, electrical and household items, collect them from customers, bring them back into a warehouse where we refurbish them and offer them back out to sale. We've seen a dramatic growth in our business over the last 5 years. Last year we collected 78,000 items and passed them back out to the local communities of Rhondda and Taff. We've managed to secure contracts with commercial organisations as well, people like John Lewis, Lidl. So that's really helped us to grow an infrastructure of supply base as well. The positive impact is in many different areas of what we do. First of all those items would have been possibly destined for landfill. And there's a great money saving point to that. But also, in order to do this, we supported 282 volunteers last year. So there's the greater social benefit. The future's really bright. We've managed to purchase another building. So what we're going to do is where people can't come to us, we're going to go to them, offering the same services that we offer in all our other locations.